Hello everyone and welcome to another quick tutorial relevant to how we can install the Facebook pixel through Google Tag Manager. It's super quick, super easy, and we're going to get started immediately. So in order to install the Facebook pixel through Google Tag Manager, we need access to two different tools, a Google Tag Manager and also a Facebook Business Manager or a Business Suite, which means you need to have access to your business manager, not just the page, right? The business manager of your client, not just the page or the ad account, right? Where are you going to find the business manager? You need to navigate to business.facebook.com. If you can't find it, that's probably a topic for another video, right? But to begin with, you need to have access to your tag manager, and also you need to have access to the business manager of your company or your client's business manager. We are going to get started now from the business manager. We're going to access it, and we are going to go and open up our little business tool menu. And what we need to find here is we need to go and navigate to Events Manager. This is where we need to go. So you can either find it in the shortcuts. If you can't really find it here, you need to scroll a little bit down. Under Manage Business, you will find the option that says Events Manager, right? So long story short, we need to go to our Events Manager. Once we go to our Events Manager, you will see that on the left-hand side of the screen, there's going to be a list of all the Facebook pixels that you have access to, right? So make sure that you select the right one that you want to work on. If you don't have a Facebook pixel, make sure you create one. And from there, the next step is we need to go and open up the drop-down menu under this button here that says Add Events. Right, so this is where we need to go. We need to go to Add Events. We need to select the second option that is called From a New Website. And once we select the second option, we are going to hit on Install the code manually. Don't worry if you feel it's too much. We have written instructions also underneath the video, right? So go and click on Add Events, then click on Install Code Manually, and all you have to do here is you simply have to copy the code. So copy the code, and that's what we want to do here on Facebook Events Manager, right? So now that we copied the code, we are going to go back to our Google Tag Manager, and we are going to create a new tag as we always do. We're going to create a new tag. We're going to name it FB Pixel Test. And there are two actions, two more steps that we need to take, very common steps that we always take for any type of installation in Google Tag Manager. We need to configure the tag, and we need to assign a trigger. We need to say to the system what tool we want to install in our website and when this tool is going to be live on our website. So I'm going to click on my tag configuration. And here, if you scroll all the way down this list, you are never going to encounter anything relevant to Facebook. Whenever you want to install pixels and you cannot find the right, let's say, the right option to select from this list, you need to select custom HTML. So select custom HTML. And what you have to do is very simply, you have to paste the pixel in this box here. So select custom HTML and simply paste the pixel that you copied from Facebook within this box. That's it. This is our tag configuration. Not really rocket science, I guess. Now we need to gently scroll down. We need to click on triggering, and we need to select all pages as our trigger. We're going to select all pages here. We're going to click on Add button on the top right, and that's my setup. I have my pixel installed under custom HTML. This pixel is going to be installed to all the pages of my website. I'm going to save, and once again, if this is for real, don't forget to hit the submit button here to click on it, and then click on the publish button and send your Google Tag Manager live. Otherwise, your changes are not going to go live. That's it. That's how we install the Facebook pixel on the back of all the pages of our website using Google Tag Manager. Now you're going to say, wait a moment, I went through all the steps. I published my Google Tag Manager. How can I make sure that it works? Very easy. Step number one, go to your Chrome store. If you don't use Google Chrome, simply download it and then go to your Chrome store. Here, look for an extension that is called Facebook Pixel Helper and click on Facebook Pixel Helper, attach this extension on your Google Chrome. You can find also the link below the video in the description. Once you attach this extension on your Google Chrome, navigate to your website, let your website load, and from the top right hand side, enable the Facebook Pixel extension. And here you're going to be able to see that there is a pixel in the back of my website, and you are also going to be able to see the ID of that pixel. And this is going to validate whether you implemented your pixel correctly or you didn't implement your pixel correctly. And that's it. That's the validation of how we're going to find out whether Facebook pixel is working in the back of our website. Thank you very much for watching the video. If we solved your problem, make sure you like it, subscribe, and if you have questions, you can type them in the comments below. We're going to do our best to answer all of them. Thanks a lot and see you next time.